The problem is not with the products themselves, it is with you. You are the problem. I put it to you. Some of you want to treat, you want to clear acne or hyperpigmentation of over 10 years in just 2 weeks. Oh, I've been using this product, it has not been working. I've been doing this, it has not been working. What do I do? Some of you do too much. Only you, salicylic acid wash. In that same routine, glycolic acid toner. In that same routine, lactic acid serum. In that same routine, mandelic. Hello guys. My name is Damilola. If you are seeing my face for the first time, and if you're a returning subscriber, ooh, don't forget to have a special place in my heart. Listen, guys, I am tired of people complaining that their skincare products are not working. I'm tired of the girly saying, oh, I recommended this product, you talked about this product, but it's not working. Girl, are you doing the right thing? Are you sure you are doing the right thing? Anyway, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to make your skincare products work for you in 2026. It is important, not even now that the economy is, the way it is and things are ridiculously expensive. You will not buy expensive skincare products on my watch and then the products will not now work. It's not going to happen. So quickly, let's get right into the video. In order to make your skincare products work for you, the number one and the most important thing is to know your skin type. Oh my God. I feel like if anyone is getting into skincare, that is the first thing that they are supposed to be told. You need to know your skincare is the best, is the most important thing. It is very important to know your skin type, guys, because that is what will inform your choice of products. That is what will serve as the base for every other thing that you're going to do. And how do you know your skin type? Very simple. I don't want this video to be too long, but I'm going to link a video here. It will pop up now. You guys please go and watch it. The video is less than 6 minutes, it's like 5 minutes ish. That will help you to know if you have an oily skin, if you have a combination skin, or if you have a dry skin. Guys, please make sure you watch that video. Then you go and watch it. I want to assume you've gone to watch the video. Welcome back. Now that you know your skin type, the next thing to know in order to make your skincare products work for you is to know your skin concerns. Same way skin type is not general, skin concerns also vary. Yours could be oily, yours could just be oily, yours could be oily and acne prone, yours could be sensitive, yours could be hyperpigmentation, yours could be dryness or dehydration, yours could be redness, it could be anything. So once you know your skin type and you know your skin concern, this will help you know the kind of products to get, and that will target whatever issues you have. And let me just tell you, once you know all of this, please do not follow trends. Don't follow trends. Don't up on every trend you see on TikTok or Instagram. Please do not. Most times, we are following, I am following everything they do. They get paid to do all of these things. It is not even all of these products they use. I mean, it's just common sense. If a brand sends up to like 15 or 6 products to somebody, they have what they use already, and you set them to use everything and be, come on now. Please do not up on every trend, I beg you. If you already have something that works for you, please stick to it or stick with it, wherever it is. It is so important to know your skin type and your skin concerns, because see, it breaks my heart when people are not doing what they are supposed to do. Somebody that has an oily and acne prone skin is using products that are meant for dry skin because a favorite or his favorite influencer says so, or the person you are following doesn't even have your skin type and your skin concern, but because you watch their videos, you are doing exactly what they are doing. It will work. So you just have to factor out. I'm not saying you should not follow influencers or do not do, content creators, whatever, or do not do what they do, but at least you owe it to yourself to, if you're going to do exactly what they do, then let's be the people that have your skin type. That's the least you can do for yourself. Yeah, as somebody that has oily and acne prone skin, it doesn't make sense to me to do what somebody that has dry skin does. I hope that makes sense. Know your skin type, know your skin concerns if you want your skincare products to work for you in 2026. Let's say you know your skin type, you know your skin concerns, but the products are not just working. The next thing to do is to simplify your routine. Some of you do 10 steps in your morning routine, and at night you do 12 to 15. Come on. Now that nothing is working, most times when something like that happens, it is because your skin barrier is, damaged. Well, I'll come to that. Now I want to talk about simplifying your routine. If you have up to 12, 15 routine in just one, 10 15 products in just one routine. Now is the time to cut it to 4 or even 3 or even 5. How do you do it? For example, in the morning, the only things you need are your face cleanser. Very, very important. You have to cleanse the skin before you can do anything else. So your skin, so your face cleanser, then your serum, then get an antioxidant, and in this case is either vitamin C or niacinamide. For morning routine, I would advise vitamin C because it just oxidates well during the day and it works better with sunscreen. So I would advise that. Then your moisturizer and your sunscreen. Toners are not compulsory, but you can add. So if you're going to use toner, that means it's going to be cleanser, toner, vitamin C or any other antioxidant, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Let me tell you, you can even use just cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. It shouldn't be more than these 5. Please simplify your routine as much as you can. In the same morning routine, some people will use up to 4 antioxidants that same morning. And I also figured that sometimes when you're applying this product, you will not even allow the first one to settle in before you go in with the next one. Then you start saying, oh my God, these products are piling. He's making my skin. Because you're not doing the right thing. Honestly, guys, these things break my heart. I don't like it when people spend so much on skincare and they don't get the result they are supposed to get. So please, as much as you can, make sure you simplify your routine. The simple cheat code is to make sure that in the morning, everything you're just doing is hydrating your skin and you're protecting it. Sunscreen, very, 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 very important. Please do not skip your sunscreen. And if you're going to be outside, make sure you reapply your sunscreen. A lot of people are using a lot on their skin and they are not protecting it. They're not using sunscreen. I don't know how to help you again because there's no video I make and I come here and I don't talk about sunscreen. Please make sure you use your sunscreen. Then for your night routine, you just focus on repairing your skin. This is the time to use your exfoliant, which is not supposed to be every day. And as you're exfoliating your skin, make sure you're also using hydrating products so that your skin doesn't dry out. Talking about hydrating products and hydration, make sure you also drink a lot of water so that you're not just hydrating on the outside, you're also hydrating from inside out. Yes, that's the word. Please don't skip it. And this is especially for people that have oily and acne prone. Most people with dry skin know that already. Most of their products are hydrating products. But a lot of people with oily and acne prone skin believe that, oh, the face is oily already, so they don't need something that will make it. Please do not skip your moisturizers and do not skip hydrating products. Another thing to do to make your skincare products work for you in 2026 is to always protect your skin barrier. When the skin barrier is damaged, then you see signs such as redness of the skin is itching, you are breaking out or you are purging or something is not just right. And when this happens, I can tell you for a fact that nothing will work. None of your products will work. Nothing. And just like I said before now, this is also the time to simplify your products. This is not the time to exfoliate. This is not the time to put all those or do 12 steps or 8 steps skincare routine. Just focus on hydration. Focus on repairing your skin barrier. I plan on making a very, very detailed video on how to repair your skin barrier. That video is coming. Just look out for it. It should be the next video after this or maybe next 2 videos after this. I want to make a separate video for it so that I can talk about it extensively because I figure that most people battle with this. So yeah, just look out for the video. Doing the right things when you're supposed to do them will also make your skincare products work for you. Let me expatiate. When you are supposed to exfoliate. When you're not supposed to exfoliate, please do not exfoliate your skin. When you're supposed to focus on hydration, please focus on hydration. Some of you, you don't even know the basic things. So there's no how you will. I'm sorry, maybe getting too personal, but it's like that's the only way people can hear everything that I'm saying at this point. Because anyway, exfoliate your skin when you're supposed to exfoliate your skin. Some of you do too much. Only you, salicylic acid wash. In that same routine, glycolic acid toner. In that same routine, lactic acid serum. In that same routine, mandelic. Please, don't do too much. Some of you, Asheju, it's too much. You will do. That's the reason why these products are not working. The problem is not with the products themselves, it is with you. You are the problem. I put it to you. You are the problem. Exfoliation is not supposed to be more than 3 to 4 times in a week. And please only exfoliate your skin at night. Please don't exfoliate your skin during the day, and do not use your retinol during the day. Your nighttime routine is meant for repair, so please save all of those till night. And because I said you should save everything to your nighttime routine doesn't mean you should not bombard your face at night with everything. Please do not. You can space it out. On one day, you can decide to use your salicylic acid wash. On Tuesday, you can decide to go in with your retinol. Allow your skin to breathe. Then you pick it on Wednesday. Then you just hydrate on Wednesday. And on Thursday, you pick it up again. You can exfoliate or use retinol. Then on Friday, you use something else. Then you allow your skin to breathe again. Guys, please, this is what will lead me to my next point. Let us be patient with our skin. Oh my god. And not just with the skin, with the skincare products. I call it simple skincare math. If you are nice to your skin, if you are good to your skin will be nice to you, your skin will also be good to you. If you care less about it, your skin will also care less about you. Is give and take. You cannot give what you don't have. You cannot reap from where you did not sow. I don't know if these things are in line what I'm saying, but you get what I'm trying to say. There will always be a big difference between somebody that nurtures and cares for their skin every day and night, and somebody that just does their skincare anytime they remember, maybe once in a blue moon. If you like, say, oh my god, my skin is perfect. I only use Vaseline. I only There will be difference. Let me tell you, there will always be difference. I'm not saying the people that are using only Vaseline will not have good skin, but I'm just saying that it is not possible to give your skin the nurture and the care it deserves, and you are consistent with it, and you will not see a big result. It is not possible. I'm beating my chest. It is not possible. And this is what will lead me to my next point, which is consistency. If you want your skincare products to work for you in 2026, guys, please be consistent. You cannot do it today and not do it tomorrow. You cannot not do it tomorrow and say you pick it up next week. It won't work. The result you are itching to get, you will not get it. You won't. So it is very, very important to be consistent. And some of you, if it's bad relationship, toxic situations, you will stay there. But when it comes to being committed to something that will benefit you, you will not. I said I don't want to get personal, but you are okay. Guys, it's so important to be consistent with your skincare routines. Very, 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 very important. Absolutely important. Make sure you do that, and if you are very consistent for like 3 to 6 months, and this product do not still work, and you are doing the right thing, send me a DM, send me a mail. My Instagram and everything will be displayed on the screen. There, it's always in my description box. Also, send me a message. Let's talk. What do you mean your products are not working and you've been consistent, you've been doing the right thing? Because what I've noticed is this. People will say, oh, I've been using this product, it has not been working. I've been doing this, it has not been working. What do I do? They will say, they've been using it since. Just ask them, how long is this since? They might say, it's been up to 2 weeks now. It has not been working. I've bought this, I've bought that. Patience. Patience. Very, very important. Don't rush the process. Let me even talk. This will also lead me to my next point, which is to be wary of products that will promise you permanent change or, brilliant change in 2 weeks or less than 2 weeks. If you see any products like that, run. Run. I'm talking from experience. So, those times of organic and, all those products, I won't say more than that, but please run. Any products, I'm saying this with my full chest, any product that promises to clear whatever you are battling with in 2 weeks is a scam. That's a big red flag. That's a big fat lie. Please do not fall for it. You need to have a lot of patience with your skincare products. And in extension, you need to have a lot of patience with your skin or to your skin. Well, I don't even know. Just have patience in abundance. Just when it comes to your skincare products and when it comes to the skin, so that you will give the skin and the products ample time to work so that you can get results, which is glow, healthy skin. Do you understand what I'm saying? You understand. Some of you want to clear acne or hyperpigmentation of over 10 years in just 2 weeks. Kuburu. That's how you always fall victim of people that will collect your money, and after those products they work, oh, some of them will work, but after you see the results, just stop for like a day or two, you go back to square one. All those things that you did not want to do, you will do them. Why do you think people do not stop bleaching? Why do you think people This video is not for that. It's just to discuss the things that will make our products work in 2026. Okay. The other time I talked about getting a lot of hydration so that we can hydrate from inside out. Yes, it is very important. And I also want to say we should watch what we eat, everything that goes into the system. Even me, I'm guilty of this. Some of you already know the things that trigger your breakout or the things that make your skin misbehave, but you still do them. We still do them. Hey, may God help us to be better and make the right choices. It's just like people that are lactose intolerant. When you see ice cream, you see them. When you see milk, you see them. When you see they now start running about to the toilet. When they start purging, oh my God. Let's watch what we eat and let's do better. With these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to discuss and to convince and not to confuse you on how to make your skincare products work for you in 2026. Guys, if you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I've told you the trick is not to ask, because once you do, I'll spill. We don't get skip over here. And also, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can get more amazing videos like this. Make sure you like, make sure you comment. Let me know what you think in the comment section, like I said. And please, if you can, please share and turn on your post notification so that you'll be the first to know anytime I drop videos like this. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me in this video. I will see you in my next video. Before the next video, make sure you are very kind and patient. I don't even know if you guys read the things I write in the description box, but I'm always telling you to be patient and just be kind to your skin generally. I'll see you in my next day. Bye, guys. Mwah.